Welcome to another video. Today I gonna show you top 10 strong, powerful and famous politicians in the world. Number 10. Dilma Rousseff is currently economist of Brazil and has played her role as a former prime minister for the country from 2011 to 2016. She also holds the record of being the first female president of Brazil. She's at our number 10 because of her movement for the welfare of common men in Brazil. Moreover, the delegate lady has had played a massive role in the development of the country, which obviously cannot be ignored. Number 9. Hillary Clinton has made it to the top 10 most powerful politicians of the world because of her campaign for the right of common people. She has been a part of the parliament many times, and that's where she started to fight for the needs of the public of the United States of America. And not just there, she has played movement on the roads for the same purpose. She has been the First Lady of the United States from 1993 to 2001. She also served as 67th United States Secretary of State. Number 8. Angela Merkel, the Chancellor of Germany since 2005 and the leader of center-right Christian Democratic Union since 2000. Angela Merkel is described as the leader of the European Union and also as the most powerful woman of the world. So, there are a number of the reasons for her to be in the top 10 most powerful politicians of the world. Number 7. Narendra Modi is currently serving as 14th Indian Prime Minister from 2014. He has been the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. He is considered as most powerful man in the world, and ODI's government is considered as the best government in the India so far. This man has made it to be here with his own struggle for the country and for his people. Number 6. The British politician David William Cameron. Cameron rose to fame when he served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 2010 to 2016 and has been a Member of Parliament from 2001 to 2016. David has won House of Commons publicly because he has fought a lot of the welfare of the common man, and that's exactly why he is considered as one of the most powerful politicians in the world. Number 5. Manuel Carlos is a French politician and has been serving as the French Prime Minister from 2014 to 2016. He was the Minister of Interior as well from 2012 to 2014. He is considered a crucial politician around the world due to his social works and has been a member of the Socialist Party. Manuel is considered as one of the most powerful politicians of the world due to his work for human welfare and also for his economical policies. Number 4. The current President of the United States and also one of the most powerful men in the world, Donald Trump, comes at number 4 in the list of 10 most powerful politicians in the world. He joined politics in 2016 when he did a very captivating election campaign and won the election against the former President of the United States, Hillary Clinton. He took the control as the President of the United States and joined office. Number 3. Vladimir Putin is considered as one of the most powerful politicians around the world. He is currently serving as Russian president. He was the prime minister of the country from 1999 to 2000, and then he was elected again as a prime minister and served from 2008 to 2012. This man has done a lot for the development of the country and has remained a member of the parliament for a long time. Number 2. The Chinese politician Xi Jinping is serving as the President of the People's Republic of China and also as the General Secretary of the Communist Party of China. So he's good. Jinping is considered as one of the most powerful politicians in the world, and not only this, he was named as paramount leader in China. China is now one of the most powerful economies of the world. And that's all happened with the struggles of this man, Xi Jinping. He is also working as the chairman of the Central Military Commission. Number 1. On the number 1 is Imran Khan. Imran Khan is a former cricket star of Pakistan who made his way to politician in 1996. He is considered as the most powerful politician in the world due to his fight and work for the rights of common man in Pakistan. This man has suffered a lot, but now he has made it to the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He is the chairman of the political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. He is the leader of the nation. There is no other choice for the most powerful politician in the world. If you like my video, then press thumbs up and then press subscribe button and then press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.